Okay, so now I'm going to program in Scratch so that whenever anybody clicks on these buttons, the background will change. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to make it so that the background always starts with whatever one I want to happen first. So I'm going to go into my events. I'm going to click when flag clicked, and then I'm going to looks and I'm in switch backdrop. Okay, now make sure that you are on the stage for this and you don't have the characters moving yet. Okay, so this is, I'm going to have it at blue sky to start. Okay, so then whenever I play my game, when I come back, it'll always come back to this, whichever one I want to happen first. Okay, so now I'm going to program for each of my buttons. So let me click on my first button. And again, it's so important that you click on whichever sprite you're working on. So I'm clicking on my button 1. You can see it's a little faded here, but that's the one that's going to take me to the Arctic. So I'm going to get an event command again, but this time I'm going to choose when this sprite clicked. That means when somebody clicks on this sprite. And then what I want to happen is I go into look and it's going to switch backdrop to whatever I want it to. So this is my Arctic button. So I'm going ahead and switch that to Arctic. So when anybody clicks on this, it'll switch to Arctic. Then I have to click on my next button. Again, always know which one you're on. This says playground. So I'm going to do the same kind of code. When this sprite is clicked, I'm going to change the background. So switch backdrop. And this is the playground. It's actually already at playground, so I can just leave that. Okay, and then I have one more to do. I'm going to do my city scene. So I'm going to grab when this sprite clicked, and then I'm going to grab another switch backdrop, and I'll change this to colorful city. All right, so let's go ahead and test our code. Remember, I click when flag clicked, and remember, I set that on the stage, and I made it go back to the sort of empty one, blue sky. All right, so let's click on some buttons. I'll click on Arctic, and it changed to the Arctic scene. I click on city, it changes to the city scene. I click on playground, it changes to the playground scene. So that's working exactly the way I want it.